Start. Hi everyone, this is a gingerbread house. I think probably the biggest one in Delhi. So this one is made with edible gingerbread plus chocolates. Even the roof that we have made is made with edible chocolates as well as gingerbread and royal icing. So almost 80% of the house is made of edible things, and rest of the decorations are with, like, usable plastics and all those things. Plus we also have this snowman, gingerbread house, bunny, Santa Claus, all this made with edible chocolates. Plus we have the Christmas cookies, uh, Santa Claus. Over here we have Pandoro, Stolen, then plum cakes, mince pie, Christmas cookies. So all these we have come up with, all these varieties to be served in DLF, and this is like a joint collaboration between DLF as well as Hilton. Plus we also have one goodie hamper set which consists of macaroon chocolates, then mince pie, plum cakes, black Xmas pudding, as well as a Santa Claus, as well as a Christmas house. Thank you everyone. Please come and visit us. Thank you.